Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to cut a female trouser, that is Palazzo female trouser. So we start by folding the material. So we are working with a light crepe material. So I'll go ahead and fold the material into two. So I'll go ahead and draw a straight line here so that I can have a straight line here. So I'm using my chalk to do that. So before I start cutting, the measurement we are working with, this person's waist is 42, then the hip is 47, then the full length of this trouser is 46. So we'll go ahead, use our tape and check. So we have up to 46 at the end. We have up to 46 at the end of the trouser. So we are going to be working with it. So this person's waist is, the waist of this person is 42. And we are going to be dividing 42 by 4. But before we start, we are going to come in here by 2 inches. By 2 inches. By 1 inches, I mean to say, we are going to be coming in here by 1 inches at the waist top. So from there, we'll be taking our measurements. So we are going to be taking, divided by 4, it's going to give us 10.5. 10.5 plus 1 inch, it should be 11.5. We are going to be adding 1 inch at that waist. Now, to get the crotch part of this tutorial, we are going to be dividing the hip of that person. To get the crotch part of this, we are going to be dividing the hip of that person. The hip of that person is 47. 47 divided by 4 is going to be giving us 11.75. So we are going to come down here from this place, mark 11.75, which is somewhere around here. So we are going to be adding 1 inch to that 11.75 so that the crotch won't be that tight. So we are going to be adding 1 inch. That is going to be 12.75. So we are going to take 12.75 here as well. So we took 12.75 here. So we are going to be using these same measurements here for the crotch. You should have been the labs divided by 2, but we are going to be using the waist. And when we do the waist divided by 2, so we are going to be doing 11.5. Like the same thing that we have here. 11.5. For the sitting part, we are going to be adding 3 inches. I'm going to add 3 to 4 inches depending on the person. So in the case of the tutorial, To be at the safer side, I'll be adding 4 inches to the crotch part because the person has body, so I won't tie the person there. 4 inches. So I'll use my ruler and rule straight. So this person's knee is around 25, 27. But because this is a free dress, the body of this dress from the knee part is free. So I'll just go ahead and take the down measurement. So I'm going to adjust this camera to the down part of this dress. So I'll be taking the down measurement, just a free dress. So it's going to be a hand free something at the down part of this tutorial. So I'll be making it around that kind, let me say, depending on how free I want this to be now. So I'll be taking around that kind 11 inches or so, or 10. Rather, let me just take 10 inches. Let me just take 10. It's almost the same thing with the waist. So I'll go ahead and connect these 2 points here and here. Then I'll go ahead and come up here by 1.5 inch. Yeah. So I'll now connect these two parts together like so. So when I'm done there, I'll come down at the hem part and come in by 1 inch. Come in by 1 inch, which is so. So from there, I'll be connecting to the hip, to the crotch area like so. I don't know if you can see it. From that down to the crotch area, that is what I'm doing right now. Like so. Then from that hip to the waist, I'll also connect it to that 1 inch I took inside. So because this trouser, our waist is not straight, so I'll be coming down here, the waist area. Sorry that you guys cannot see my chalk very well because I don't want too much chalk on it. So the waist area will be coming down by 1 inch. That 1 inch I added at the crotch, so it's coming down by 1 inch. So I'll now connect it to this hip area like so, like this. So I'm going to be taking a quick review of what I did. The waist here, I divided the waist measurement by 4 to give me the waist part. Then I used the hip measurement divided by 4 to get the crotch. That is where the trouser is going to be sitting. So from here to here, I divided the hip by 4, which is 47 divided by 4. I added it 1 extra inch, which I removed later on again. So from here to here, I just take it down straight because it's a free trouser. It's not going to be fitted trouser, just a free Palazzo trouser. But not that too because I took it down here. Then I took in 1 inch in so that the seats of the trouser will be very balanced. Then from there, I took in 1 inch as well at the down part, and I just slanted up to the hip part, that is the seat part, and from the seat to the waist, that was all. So we are going to go ahead and cut this. So we are going to be using the front to cut the back. So let's continue. So we're just going to go ahead and do the cutting like this. So go ahead and use this front pattern to cut the back. And the back, we are going to just do a little adjustment. So I'm done placing the back pattern on the front. I'm done placing the front pattern on the back pattern. So we are going to be adding to 2 inches allowance. But at this crotch, we'll be adding like 3-inch allowance. So I'll go ahead and add 3 inch here. At the back part, I'll add 3 inch somewhere here. So I'll go ahead and connect it together with this one. So here I'll be adding 2 inch. So here will be 2. At the waist part, I'll add 2 inch. So here I'll be adding 2 inch allowance. 2 inch. Here 2 inch. Here 2 inch. Maybe you can see it very well. So I'm just going around adding 2 inch till the end of the trouser at 2 inch. Here 2 inch. Here 2 inch. And 2 inch. So I'll take my ruler and draw a straight line of connecting all the dots together. That means going up. So connect it like so. Connect it. Then I'll connect this to this 2 inch to this one. So I'll go ahead and slant it. Then at the upper waist, I'll be adding that 1 inch I remove at the down part. So here I'll be adding 1 inch. So while cutting, I'll just join the two waists together. So I'll go ahead and start cutting. Wow, sorry, the scissors. Sorry for that. So as you can see, we are done with the finishing cutting for the both front and the back. So it came out beautifully, as you can see. So we are done with the cutting. If you found this helpful, please do not forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell, and also give the video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Thanks.